Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. It's Coach Peter Studios. If you are watching from Facebook, it's Digital Income Lab. In today's video, I'm gonna unleash to you one powerful project that is really thriving in this era. So if you are someone who is interested or is into mining or crypto mining, this project has been in the system for quite a time now, and people are really doing their best to take part so that they will get something out of it. So if you haven't seen, or if you haven't got to meet this project, today is your lucky day for you to start for you also to start mining something on this platform. This token is called rubi token, and it's an it's a Vietnam project where you're gonna mine ruby coins, and later when they list it, you're gonna have your money to your pockets. Okay, so this project comes with a certain criteria that you have to have an identity document that you use for your KYC verification. Once you want to initiate withdrawal, you have to complete your KYC verification. And one thing is that if after mining and you don't complete your KYC verification, there's no way you're gonna be able to withdraw your mine tokens. And if you are filling the forms for this, or if you are putting in credentials for this, make sure you use your correct credentials so that you don't miss anything later when you want to make withdrawal. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to it, or if you are watching from Facebook, follow the page so that anytime I bring live helping videos like this, you'll be able to see it and benefit from it. And also do well to share this video so that people can also see and also benefit from it. Okay, so let's go to the app and then let's explore. Okay guys, so this is ruby project. Okay, this is ruby project I'm talking about. So let's launch our ruby. So if you download the ruby app for the first time, this is how you will see, and this is your interface that you will see. Okay, so if you haven't created account here before, or if you are new, they will ask you to register. Okay, here you tap on register. So once you tap on register, you see your Google has popped up down there. Here it is. You see Google is popping up here. So you're gonna use your Google account, or your Gmail account, to register for an account. Okay, you're gonna use your Gmail to register for an account, or better still, you can input your Gmail here. And if you remember your password, you can input your password here as well, so that you will just be logged in automatically. Okay, but right now I have already created my account, so I have to log in instead of signing up or registering. I would rather log in. Yeah, these are my credentials, and I'll just click on sign in. So you see I'm signed in. Okay, I have been signed in. Let me activate my mining. Let's wait for the adverts. Okay, please stay tuned to the end of this video. I will teach you how to use these apps, and also at the same time beat this advert that's popping up always. Okay, I will leave a video link in the description of the video, so that you're gonna check there and watch and know how you can beat this ad that will keep on be popping up. Okay, so once you log in with your Gmail, this is how your interface will look like. Okay, and when your interface open up like this, right now, then you come to start your mining. Okay, so you click on this ask. Okay, you click on this ask. Okay, you click on the ask. So once you click on the ask, then there will be a pop-up. Okay, once the pop-up comes, you choose any of it. Okay, we have water, we have wood, we have metal, we have Ghana, we have fire. Any one that you feel like you should choose, you can choose, and then you mine your project. Okay, right now my mining is in session, and I have about 24 rubies, and you can check if they are to, let's say today, this is the amount I'll get 134. So as I was saying, if they are to list this project today, I'll have 135 US dollar, an additional bonus of 4 point. That today's project that I mine is $4.43. Okay, and I have 3 referrals. 2 are currently mining, and 1 is not mining. Okay, so this is the ruby project I'm talking about, and it's free. And they said in no time this project is going to be launched, and once it's launched, you can still continue to mine, and anytime you can just claim your reward. Okay, so once you set up your account and you start mining, you have to come to your this advert. So after activating your mining contract or your mining machine, you're gonna click here. You see where they've indicated as profile. You're gonna click on profile, and you have to set up your information. Okay, your information consists of your name, your gender, your date of birth, your email, your phone number, and your country, okay, and your address, okay. So you're gonna set it all up, and once you are done, you come to user verification, and you see this is the part I was talking about. If you can withdraw the tokens after it has been listed, you have to complete all of these before you can be able to withdraw your money. So the first one is complete your KYC verification. You see my profile is not verified yet, and my Zola is not connected, my Facebook is not connected, my Google account, my Google is not connected, my TikTok is not connected, and my Telegram is not connected. But there's a reason for me not connecting all these, because before you can come to the verification process or anything close to the verification, you have to have at least 30 rupees, okay. You have to have 30 rubies. So I have like 6 more rubies to go before I can unlock this particular place to start the verification process, okay. So if you tap on it right now, they will tell you that I have to exploit at least 30 ruby before I can complete my KYC verification. And once I complete my 30 ruby, they themselves will send me a notification or a message that I should complete my KYC, okay. And that's how it goes. And but for the other profile, you have to set it up with no restrictions, okay. And the last thing I'll be talking about on account creation is your secure account and security, okay. So right now you can see that I have my 2-factor authentication app set up, and I have my this one, okay. I've turned it off, but I will teach you how if you remember your Google email, okay, your Google password, sorry, if you remember your Google password, okay, when you sign up with your Google, automatically your Google password or your Google account password becomes your password for this project, okay. So if you want to activate your touch ID, anything you want to do something that you don't want to input your password but you just want to use your touch ID, you're gonna click on this one, input your password, and you activate it. But this is a 2-factor verification, okay, authentication, okay. So I've set it up, and it's for the reason is that it's for other security, because recently people are creating wallet in people's account just to lure the money once the project is listed. So you can see that the team is working very hard to alert all people that you can read from this notification that they have always every day they will send it to you so that you'll be aware, okay. So as you say, we officially announced the opening of the portal to reporting strange wallets, that's Trojan wallets that are not created by you but appeared in your account, possibly planted by asset thieves, okay. So it's better to set up your verification so that you don't fall victim to this, okay. And here comes the wallet, okay. Here comes the wallet. They say one account can have up to 3 accounts, but it's probably you have only one account, so that when someone planted account in your account, you can, or in your wallet, you can just be able to see it very clear, okay. So I have only one account right now, and in my wallet, okay. And we have the referral. See, oh, please, I'm coming. So you have the referral aspect of this one, that you can invite your friends to mine with you so that you also get profit from their exploits, okay. So before you can be able to refer someone, you have to use this particular place. You use this place, okay. Then you create your referral link, a referral code. There is my coach Peter. So, and before you can mine this project, please, without referral code, there's no way you can activate this. Once you accept, even if you use a Google account to set up, they will ask for a referral code. So make sure that you have a referral code before you go in, okay. So you can invite people in contact, and you can share your link to get people invited, okay. And please, you see, when you are using apps like this, adverts and them things usually comes up, okay. So I will leave a video where I've explained in details how you can beat ads, okay, how you can avoid all these annoying ads that keeps on coming when you are using apps like this, okay. So I will leave it in the description of the video, okay. I will leave it there in the description of the video. So if you are after watching this video, you can go to the description and watch that one. Stay tuned and stay blessed. See you in my next video.